Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Lizzie. If you're just watching me for the first time, please subscribe, like and share if this is your first time of watching me, and also comment in the comment section below if this video helps you in any way. I love you guys so much. Thank you all. So today I'm going to be teaching you all how I was able to tie this gele, and it's not difficult at all if you just follow these steps that I'm going to be showing you all today. So for this tutorial I'm going to use two colors of gele. So my first layer is going to be a yellow gele, so I'm just going to fold the gele into two, then place it on her head. And then after that I'm going to be coming in with another color of gele. I'm just going to place that on top the first color that I placed on her head, and thereafter I'm going to be making some pleats on her head. So guys, the rule for this gele today is 50-50. The both hands of your gele have to be equal, so you just have to make sure that the both hands are equal. So like I said, I'm placing the second gele on top the first color that I placed on her head. So I'm going to make sure that the first color does not show on her head the way it is in this video. So what's just going to show is the second color of the gele that I placed on her head. So at this point I'm going to pick the first color of the gele that I placed on her head, which is the yellow color, and I'm just going to make some pleats with it. So guys, in order for your pleats to come out really beautiful and nice, you have to take your time in making them so that you get what you want at the end of the day, and that is what I am doing. I'm just going to keep making this pleats and keep touching the pleats so that it comes out really beautiful. And don't forget that as you're making this pleats, you are tracing it to the other side of her face so that you do not lose any pleat, because the pleat is actually the beauty of the gele. So at this point guys, I'm going to start making my fan. And one hand has to be picking the pleat while the other hand holds the pleat down. So I'm going to be doing this fan all the way to the other side of her face, and like I said, do not forget to trace your pleats while making your fan. Do not forget to trace the pleats down to the other side of her face. So guys, at this point I'm done making her pleat. All I'm going to do next is to twist the remaining part of the gele to the back of her head, and then I'm just going to pin it right there behind her head. So once you're done, you want to make sure that you make pleats with the other 50 parts of the yellow gele, which is the first gele we placed on her head. So I'm going to be making this pleats all the way till I finish those 50 parts of the gele that I am molding right now. So I'm just going to make the pleats all the way. Like I said, you have to take your time in doing this so that it comes out really beautiful. So guys, I'm done making the pleats. I'm just going to pin the remaining part of the pleats behind the fan that I created, but I'm not going to pin everything because I want to create something like a curve in between the pleats that I created. So I'm just going to use my pin and pin it there at the middle so that it goes inside a little. At this point, you can actually use thread or pins, whatever works for you, as far as it's secured and it doesn't feel like it's going to fall off at any point in time. Then you are good to go. Okay guys, this is the second gele that I placed on her head. I'm going to make pleats all the way till the end of the gele, the same way I did with the yellow. And when I'm done, I'm going to place this gele on top the yellow pleats that I created. When you're done making this, you want to make sure that you twist the remaining part of the gele to the back and then pin it right there. And you have to make sure that you pin properly so that everything is secured and so that it doesn't feel like falling off at any point in time. So I'm going to be using my pins also, and then I'm going to create that curve there at the middle. I'm just going to pin everything right there so that it really looks beautiful. So guys, for this part of the gele that is left, I'm going to twist the remaining part of the gele, then I'm going to take it to the back and pin it right there I love you all so much. I do hope that this tutorial was helpful. If it was, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share. And if you've not turned on your notification buttons, please do that so that each time I post, you will definitely be the first to know. This is what the back of the gele should look like. This is going to be a closed gele, and that's why I'm trying to close everything behind her head there. Like I said, guys, if this video has helped you in any way, please don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share. And if you have any suggestions at all as to what I should do in my next video, please put it down in the comment section so that I can see, and I'll definitely attend to you all. I love you all so much, and I just can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye bye.